Priscilla Mireles, ilang beses sinuyo ni Jan Estrada, pero sarado na ang puso. Kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na po kayo para sa more update po. Salamat! Ayaw nang makipagbalikan ni Priscilla Mireles kay Jan Estrada. O ang diretsahang inamin ng beauty queen kamakailan lang matapos makapanayam ng batikang journalist na si Karen Davila. Ibinunyag din ni Priscilla na ilang beses siyang sinuyo ng mister na si Jan Estrada, ngunit sarado na raw ang kanyang puso. He does constantly, sagot ng celebrity mom nang tanungin kung sinubukan ba siyang balikan ng batikang aktor. Chika pa niya, it's a little bit flattering because there's a lot of assumption online. I get comments like she's losing weight because she wants her husband back. He doesn't want to do anything with you. Move on. Things like that. The thing is that it does not come from what happened. Ipinunto ng Miss Globe International 2003 na simula pa lang ng kanyang desisyon, iwan si Jan ay wala na siyang intensyong balikan ito. I left our house with my daughter, so we are not sharing a home, and it has been for a while. I did that. I don't think anyone who leaves their home has the intention of getting their husband back, say ni Priscilla. Yeah, the book is closed. Matapang niyang pahayag nang tanangin kung nakapag-move on na ba siya sa kanilang relasyon. Dagdag niya, if there's something that he and the people like him need to learn is that you cannot over and over treat people with lack of respect, especially the ones that are good to you. Binigyang din ng Brazilian beauty queen na hindi siya yung tipong taong basta-basta na lang nagbabago ang desisyon pagdating sa ganitong sitwasyon. I know that he has high hopes that maybe one day the way I feel change. I don't think so because I'm the type of person that once I step out of the room, I'm gone. So I fight until the last minute, until my last breath, but once I decide, no more it's no more. Paliwanag niya. Anya, hindi siya likas na tao na nakakayang mag-adjust sa estilo ng pamumuhay ni Estrada na anya ay friendly at colorful. Let's just say, Jan is a very friendly guy. That's not the only problem in my relationship. I think that just the tip of the iceberg. Eventually, people tend to do the things that they are accustomed to. I think maybe Jan lives such a colorful life where he's used to doing anything that pleases him and people just need to adjust around. The problem is that he married me and I don't adjust, saad pa ni Priscilla. Sa kabila ng kanilang hiwalayan, nanatili pa ring maayos ang ugnayan nila ni Jan bilang magulang sa kanilang anak na si Anika. Nagpaabot din siya ng mensahe para sa aktor kung saan pinuri niya ito bilang isang ama at provider. My message to Jan, I have no regrets. We had a wonderful life despite all the roller coaster. I do have high regards for him. I do respect him as the father of my daughter, and I'm grateful that he's a good provider. He always says that he loves me so much, and I believe he does it in his own way. Lahad niya. Dagdag niya, the issue is he doesn't love me in the way I deserve to be loved. I believe he tries his best. The problem is his best is not what I need. Naging usap-usapan ang mag-asawang noong July last year matapos magkomento si Priscilla ng looking very divorced sa Instagram post ni John kung saan ito ay may kasamang babaeng kaibigan sa Boracay. Nilinaw na noon ng aktor na wala silang relasyon ng nasabing babae. Kasunod niyan, giniit pa niyang naka-mutual break sila ni Priscilla na agad namang pinabulaanan ng huli. Noong nakaraang buwan, kinumpirma ni Priscilla kay Boy Abunda na sila pa rin ni John dahil sila ay legally married. Ngunit hindi niya sinukoy kung may plano ba silang magpa-divorce o annulment. At yan ang totoo. Alright, thank you for watching po. Follow for more video. Salamat!